Texas lawmakers pushed forward a bill requiring outdoor warning sirens in flood-prone areas after floods left more than 130 people dead across central Texas last month. The Senate Select Committee on Disaster Preparedness and Flooding heard testimony today on 4 bills related to the flood. Now, looking at 2 of those bills, Senate Bill 2 was the one that would require local counties to install, maintain, and operate 1 or more sirens. A grant program would be established to help cover those costs. And then another proposal, Senate Bill 1, would subject the Upper Guadalupe River Authority to a limited sunset review in 2027. Now, this comes after the River Authority came under fire after its director told lawmakers flood sirens were never installed, with data instead collected by the National Weather Service. Lawmakers advanced both Senate Bill 1 and 2 out of committee, as well as 2 other flood-related bills.